wow, like that is the power of real connection and being just in the sphere of people that are motivated and trying to do incredible things, even if they don't have everything figured out, even if they're still in early stages of their journey. So I'm actually recording super early in my home studio today, but I wanted to share what it was like to record in Nathan Barry's studio in Boise, Idaho. So yes, there is Kit Studios, which we have a whole video series on walking through what those look like and what you can expect if you go and record in person in Boise, Idaho for the Kit incredible studios there. But this year, whenever I went to Craft and Commerce, this is Kit's annual event, I actually got to record in Nathan Barry's studio, which was really fun because he's had so many incredible guests, and he's recently been doing the Nathan Barry show where he's doing all these different coaching opportunities and speaking to these successful creators. So make sure you go check out the Nathan Barry show. But here's my behind the scenes exclusive look into Nathan Barry's podcast studio. And I actually recorded some insightful wisdom, if you want to call it that, while I was at Craft and Commerce. And it's just a reflection on what I've thought about going to this conference for the last 3 years. And I'm actually going in 2026. So make sure you grab your ticket. But I shared like in real time what this conference, what this event means to me. And yeah, go check it out. Okay, just because I thought it would be super fun to record where the stars record, right? Like Nathan, I'm just calling you the stars record in the studio. I just want to record something real quick and short and just talk about Craft and Commerce real fast because I'm here, like we're on the second full day of all the keynotes and the workshops. And my big takeaway this year has just been about connections and the different things that we find that can be so powerful in getting into rooms. That's what I'll say. Getting into the rooms that I have been in the last few days, like, it's just mind blowing. The people that I've met, the advice that I've been given, like, I mean, last year I was here and I saw that Jay Papasan was going to be here. And, you know, I was like, oh my gosh, he's my favorite author. Like the book, The One Thing, I've recommended it more than any other book in the last 10 years. And to meet him last year, to know him, to later hop on a call with him outside of that inn, to get a big hug from Jay when I first saw him, I was like, wow, like that is the power of real connection and being just in the sphere of people that are motivated and trying to do incredible things, even if they don't have everything figured out, even if they're still in early stages of their journey. Jay's not that example, right? Jay has already built a successful career and a profession, but there's other creators that are here that I'm meeting that, I mean, 6 months ago, their life looked different. Their journey looked different. And then here they are today and they're making this huge impact. Or 6 years ago, they were just getting started. And now to look at all the different levels of success that they've had in whatever version of success looks like for them. So this is my quick tips on encouragement and just really motivating you, hopefully, to get into those rooms, go to those conferences. Y'all, it's not super cheap to come here. Like it was, you know, a great investment in the ticket to get me here, to pay for the plane ride, to pay for the hotel. And it's a significant impact on my business every single time I leave here because of the connections that I make, because of the motivation, the encouragement, the inspiration that I get once I leave this conference. And I'm just telling you, if you're thinking about stepping into a room that makes you feel a little uncomfortable, do it anyway, because you never know what kind of relationships you'll form or the impact that it could have on your life and your business. Remember, keep it up. We all have to start somewhere.